Good morning, CIO US History students. This is Mr. Glazier. I'm just going to go through quick what we're going to do for the week. As you see, here is your week 2 calendar. And as I go down, notice we have A to Z, World A to Z, assignment. Something we will be doing weekly for the rest of the year, or the rest of the trimester. And then there's a video explanation. I'll go through both of these in a second. Then Tuesday, you'll continue to work on A to Z assignments. Then on Wednesday, we're going to have a Google Earth assignment. We'll be using Google Earth throughout the year. If you've never used it before, I'm assuming you probably have. But if not, it's just an introductory activity to help you with some of the tools associated with Google Earth. And then finish Google Earth assignment if you haven't done so. Finish World A to Z. You need to do 3 of them this week. And then any missing work on Friday, which will be our normal Friday activity. So very quickly here, if we're in it's my middle school. If we're in Schoology, page down, and you can see we have our first how to complete the World A to Z. This is only if you need help. If you've done it in other classes prior, you know how to do it, then you don't have to watch the video. But for those who haven't, I did make a video to walk students through how to get it done. Here's your assignment itself. I just opened them up already and looks very familiar to those of you who've done it in the past. Just electronic. Sometimes I know some teachers did it in electronically, some did it on paper, but you have 1 through 15. That's where you get the 15 points for each day that you watch. Write down the 5 stories. There's always at least 5 stories. Sometimes there's not always, but if there's only 3 main stories, write down the 3. Usually there's at least 5 is what I was saying. Then write down your favorite story of the day and maybe why it was your favorite. Day 2 that you watch it, write down the date, same thing. Write down whatever the stories were for that day and then your favorite one, and so on and so forth with day 3. Again, here's the video if you're curious about what it looks like, and it walks you through how to use the World A to Z assignment. Then lastly, what we have for you today or this week is the Google Earth assignment, and you have Google Earth link there, and then it's going to walk you through all these different steps to teach you how to use the different tools and whatnot in Google Earth. It says 10 to 15 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. Not true. Should not take you that long to complete these assignments. I just left them on there when I printed off this worksheet. So anyway, hope you have a wonderful week. As always, if you have any questions, please contact me through email. That is always going to be the best way, and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Thank you.